everyone. In today's session, we'll be solving some medium level question. Let's get started with the session. So the first question here is, our vacation is between 12th May to 12th June. So where does the error lie? You see, it says our vacation is from this to this. Wherever in school you are told that this is the time when your vacation is going to begin, what is actually written there is, do they write between this to this, or do they write between and this? Okay, so because the correct pair of between is and, we will use our vacation is between 12th May and 12th June. Okay, error is in 3. Next, he studied so hardly that he was sure of passing. He studied so hardly he was sure of passing. He studied so hardly he was sure of passing. You see, the moment you read it, you get to the answer. You already know that you have to add that before he, being the third part of the sentence, right? Because the correct pair is so and that, and hardly will be changed into hard. So he studied so hard that he was sure of passing. Error is in 2. No sooner did I finish my speech, I was subjected to a barrage of questions. Now, where does the error lie? The error in this sentence lies where? It definitely lies in sentence number B. You see, we have used no sooner did I finish my speech than I was subjected to so and so. So the error is in 2. No sooner did the peon ring the bell, the boys left the class. No error. Which part of the sentence has an error? Again, we should add what? We should add than before boys in the third part. You see, no sooner will be followed by than. No sooner did the peon ring the bell than the boys left the class. Error is in 3 again. We had scarcely reached the place than it started to rain heavily. Okay, so we had scarcely reached the place when it started to rain heavily. The error is in option number 3. As an artist, Raju is as good, if not better than Ramesh. Where does the error lie now in this sentence? You see, the complete form is as plus positive degree adjective plus as, but there here we have good, better, both. So we'll add as before and after they only. As an artist, Raju is as good as, if not better than, Ramesh, and then whatever follows follows. But we have to close and open and close the positive degree if we are using as. Next, he is anxious not only to acquire knowledge but also eager to display it. Where does the error lie, and is it a conjunction error? So in this sentence, in the first part of the sentence, you see he is not only anxious. Now, while using a correlative conjunction, both clauses should be parallel. So anxious and eager should be at the same place. We will say he is not only anxious, he is not only and then anxious. He is not only anxious to